Hello friends, the topic of this video is construction of DFA. So in this video we'll see how to construct the DFA which will accept BA as substring or input symbol A comma B. So before directly construction of DFA, we'll see the possible string and then I will construct the DFA for the same. So let us see the possible string which will contain BA as substring. So first value is BA itself. Then we can write double B AA containing BA as substring, then B AAB containing BA as substring, then BAPA then AB ABAA BA as substring, then BBB AAA be containing BA as substring, then ABBA and so on. So these are some possible values. Using these values we will construct the DFA. So now what will be the total number of states? The total number of states will be length of the substring plus 1. So here length of the substring is 3. So total number of states will be 4. So I will draw the 4 states, that is Q0, Q1, Q2 and then Q3. So here now for the first string BAA. So I will write here BAA, DFA at a time except only one symbol, and Q3 will be the final state. Then next string is double B double A. So the possible values can be double B double A, 3 times B double A, 4 times any number of B, and then double A. So what to do in this case? If we apply the loop of B on Q0, sorry, on Q1, it will accept all the value. Do not apply the loop of B on Q0 because there is already one transition for input symbol B. In DFA there is only one input symbol for one transition. So this is one of the possibility. Now next possibility is string can end with A or B. So I will write some value B A B, B double A double B, B double A triple B, then B A then B A any number of A. So if we apply the loop of A and B on Q3, it will satisfy all the conditions. So it will accept now all the string BAAB, BAA double B, BAA triple B. Then here BAA, AABAA, any number of A. So it will solve our problem. Now let us see the next possibility. So the next possibility is ABAA. String can start with A. A string can contain any number of A at the beginning. So triple A, B, triple A. Now if we apply the loop of A on Q0, it will solve our problem. So apply the loop of A on Q0, it will accept any number of A and then BAA, it will reach to final state. So when string is accepted, when you reach to final state, the string is accepted in DFA. Now next possibility we can take is B A then B A B A double B double A, then B A triple B double A. So what to do in this case? So here we reach B A and then here there is loop of B. So if we come back for B here, it will solve our problem. So that's why I will apply B. I will write here B. So you can see B A B A A reach to final state, B A B B, it is accepting any number of B and reaches to final state. So this is how we can solve the problem, and let us see the remaining possibility now. A B A B A A. So A B A B A A reaches to final state, then this string triple B A A, B B B A reaches to final state, then this string A B, B, A, B reaches to final state, then B, A, then B, A reaches to final state, then B, A, B reaches to final state. So all the possibilities are covered, and this is the final DFA which accept BA as substring. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.